Hello everyone, my name is Girish Nurti Bangade and today date is 28th of July 2021 and today's video topic is uh, abstraction and interface. So abstraction is one of the important pillars of the objective oriented programming. The objective oriented programming has four main pillars. First one is abstraction, second one is encapsulation, and third one is the inheritance, and fourth one is the polymorphism. So first we move towards the today's our discussion topic. We discuss a brief about the other three pillars of the objective oriented programming to understand the abstraction in better way. So first is the encapsulation. Encapsulation is wrap the code and method in a single class. So the real life example of the encapsulation is our medicine capsule. So it will wrap the various medical element in a single capsule. So it is the one of the example of the encapsulation. So next one is the inheritance. Inheritance is a parent child relationship, means when we inherit the one of the class, then the all the properties of the child parent class is come into the child class. So when we take an object of the child class, we can assess the methods in from the child parent class also. And the last one is the abstraction, sorry, polymorphism. The polymorphism means we can do a single task by many way, which is mean that polymorphism. There is a two methods that by using these two methods we can do a polymorphism. First is overloading and overriding. So let's discuss about the our today's topic is abstraction. So abstraction is a considered as a data hiding. uh, we discuss about it is data hiding, and it has a it has a many types, such as sorry it, inheritance is a object. Abstraction is to show the necessary things to the user and hide the details. Means when you purchase a mobile phone, then the shopkeeper or the manufacturer is only shows its functionality, its color, or its color and its inbuilt feature, but it does not tell us what is the behind this mobile phone. Means how it is created, what is its how it is coded to how and how these processes are working. So this is how the user this is how the manufacturer hide its implementation data and shows our only the functionality. So next, the real life example of the real life example of the abstraction is the person only need to know about the some basic things that are necessary to for him. For example, to drive a car, accelerator, clutch and brakes are only needed. He doesn't need to know about the inner mechanism of the car. What is how the clutch works, how brake works. Their inner implementation doesn't make any sense in that case. So in Java, the abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details from the user and only provide its functionality to the user, and the user will focus on the functionality rather than its how and then how it works. So an object contains a large amount of information. By use of the abstraction, we can slow only the relevant information of the object to the user, and it helps to the reduce the programming complexity and efforts. And it is the one of the important concept of the object oriented programming. So in Java, abstraction is achieved by abstract class and interface. And the abstract class provide 1 to 100% of the abstraction, but only use of the interface. We can achieve 100% of abstraction. It will be by using the interface. So there is a to achieve the abstraction in Java, there is a two ways. First is abstraction class. The abstraction class is the class that is declared with the abstract keyword. So it in abstract class there is all the methods uh, which are all the methods in the abstract class, the method which are don't when the programmer sorry when the programmer didn't tell us the what is the implementation of the method, then the programmer become it a user static keyword at the starting of the method. So this method doesn't have any implementation data, so this will be extended into the further class, and there we need to implement this give the implementation of these methods. So by using this we can also create the abstraction class. So and the next one is interface. The interface is a way to achieve the abstraction in Java, and the interface is used for full abstraction, and interface is a blueprint of the class. Means the interface can have methods and variables like class, but the methods of the interface are by default abstract. Means all the method in the interface class are the abstract methods. So there is no method have implementation data. Means to create the interface we need to give the abstract keyword at the starting of the method. So by using these two methods we can achieve the abstraction class. So let's move the next one is the next we discuss about the what is the abstract method. So there is a certain rules that we need to follow during the implementing the abstract method. To declare the method as abstract, we use abstract keyword at the starting, and we must place the abstract keyword before the method name while we are declaring the methods. And next one is the abstract method does not contain the method body, and instead of the curly braces, the abstract method will have the semicolon at the end. Means there is no implementation of the abstract method. So then what is the purpose of this abstract method? The purpose of the method is when the programmer doesn't want to provide the implementation of the method at the time of the declaration, and he want to provide the implementation in the derived class, in the further class, and this can be achieved by using abstract keywords. So this is the all about the abstraction in Java. So let's move towards the interface. So what is interface? The first question is arises in our mind. So interface is a way to achieve the abstraction in Java, and the interface can have methods and variable like class, but methods of the interface are by default abstraction. So there are certain properties of the interface that we need to understand. The first one is the interface is declared with the interface keyword, and to implement this we use the implement keyword in the place of the extend keyword. So it can be implements all the methods from the abstract interface class. So next one is in the interface variable must be initialized at the time of the declaration, otherwise the compile will throw an error. And we can't another important property of the abstraction interface is we can't create the object of the interface, so we need to implement it in a derived class. So interface does not contain any constructor, it will have only abstract methods, and the interface can extend by another interface. A class can't extend the interface, a class can implement it. So implementation class has the responsibility to provide the body of the abstract method, so else so class should be an abstract class, and the interface can't declare as a private, protected or transist. It must be a public method while implementing it. and the class can implement any numbers of interfaces by use of the comma. So this is about the interface. So let's discuss about the few points of the difference between the abstract class and interface. The abstract class have, so first difference is the declaration and use. The interface declares by the interface keyword, and the subclasses use implement keyword to implement the interface. In case of abstract class, it is declared by using abstract keyword, and subclasses use extend keyword to extend the abstract class. The next one is the variable. The interface has all the variables is by default static and final. So we must be we must initialize them, otherwise the compiler will throw an error. In case of abstract class can have final, non-final, static and non-static variable. So this is about the methods. This is all about the abstraction and interface. Thank you.